What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over the new $25 updates inside your back office. If you're a member, if you log in, you should be able to see these new updates. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. To do is show you the new funnel pages that have been created for you. All right, and so with these new funnel pages, you can use them to for more leverage, to get more sales, more leads. Okay, so look at this right here. Check out this new capture page. Make money like you mean it. Powerful system, gives you 100% payout, paid instantly. All right, enter your name and email below. See the cash generating video that everyone's talking about. So they'll enter their name, enter their email. So let's go through the funnel. This is how the funnel, okay, will walk you through a sale. It does the selling and telling for you. So I'm just going to use one of my emails, one of my names, all right? And next, you will too, all right? Grab my system and start banking 100% instant commissions of 25 and 125. So basically what this system does right here is leverage you for the gold and the platinum level, which comes as a package. Okay, so all you have to do is go ahead and grab the system for 125. That's how you're going to be able to get that financial freedom, because if you think about multiple 125 payments going directly to your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Apple Pay, Google Pay, however you decide to get paid, you will see a change in your income, okay, in your finances. Multiple $125 commissions every single day, okay, every single day, multiple $125 commissions. So I like this update right here. All right, it allows you to go ahead and buy as a package, as a deal. Let's go check out some more of the funnel pages that they created. Okay, here it's the same thing, but you're able to add a video. This capture page comes with the same layout as the other one, but now it's just added a video. Now this is a presentation video as well. Now what you could do is edit this video. You put your YouTube video in here. All right, so this was clarified in the $25 So you can see we have a support group that you can join, and he also mentioned that you can brand yourself in these capture pages. So here you would want to put your YouTube video or make a video welcoming your leads, your prospects, let them know who you are right here in this part, so they can feel comfortable with putting their information here and getting started with you. That's why I like $25 up. So many ways to just, let's check out some more pages. Let's check out some more pages. Okay, I like this right here. Look at this luxury background, luxurious picture in the background. Okay, the Ferrari, you got the nice trees in the background. It looks like a really, lifestyle. It looks like a lifestyle that a rich person would live, okay, or your dream lifestyle, I should say. So here, the dream lifestyle can be yours now. Thousands are already doing it. It's thousands of members with $25 up, okay? It's multiple people. It's not just me. It's just not a few. It's thousands of members that are a part of $25 up that are making a full-time income when it comes to making money with this system. Now, enter your name and email below to see exactly how they're doing it. And once again, it will go to a sales page that will do all the selling and telling for you. Multiple capture pages. I love it. Okay, we definitely needed that. So if you know anything about marketing online, or if you watch any of my videos, I always tell you with your capture pages, all you would really want is a name and an email. Because if you asking for a phone number and everything else, you will get quality leads, but you will get less leads. All right, and the whole point is to just get as many people inside of this funnel as you can. Okay, that's the whole game to it. It's the whole principle of having this system, because it does the selling and the telling for you. All we are doing is inviting people to these capture pages and letting them go through the system. Now, let me show you some more pages that were added. Boom. I really like this right here. This walks them through the sale. Okay. How to enroll. This is very important because most people always want to know how to get started. What do I do? You know, boom. And here, once again, I'm seeing this right here. You get the gold and the platinum at one time instead of just coming in at 25 bucks. This system is using more leverage so you can get bigger commissions. So 125, 250, 500, and 1,000. If you could just make one sale a day, okay, one sale a day, just one, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's the typical work days, 5 days a week. You would make 625 bucks for that week. All right. $625 weekly. But every time you generate a sale, you will get paid directly because this is a member to member business. So the diamond level, you will get $250 every time you refer somebody to this level. This is my favorite level. Enterprise, you'll get $500 commissions, and elite, you will get $1,000 commissions. And what I like about this page the most is it tells you everything that you are getting, all right, at each level. This is very, very unique. This is very nice and neat. How to enroll properly. So many people don't get started with online businesses because they don't know the next step. They don't know what to do. Okay. This is a fully automatic system. All we're doing is inviting people, okay, to these type of capture pages right here. That's it. This grabs their attention. They get to this page right here, how to enroll properly. They choose a level they want to come in. You get paid. Okay, it's that simple. You don't have to do any selling, any telling. The system does it for you. Now, what I recommend you to do is once somebody opt in, which means put their name and email into this, you will have that information. You should follow up with them. You get an autoresponder. And what this does is send your messages out on autopilot. So that's pretty cool. All right. You have multiple, once again, a lot of updated funnels that will generate you more sales, more commissions, all right, and more leads. I really love that. You know, this is the perfect time to get started because this business is already on fire. And tools to the system. So it's finna crank up even more. So you want to position yourself to getting started where you can start earning these type of commissions. Okay. These type of commissions right here daily. And yes, you can earn $1,000 per sale. Also, like it is about $25.1up, it tells you everything about it. So they should not have no questions if you actually went through the sales page and read, you know, what we put out there for the system. So they can't say it's a scam. Okay. They can't say they're confused or they don't know what's going on. It's here in plain sight. You also get a 14-minute video that breaks everything down without you having to physically, you know, tell them, hey, this is what it does. This is how we get paid. You know, all we're doing is inviting people. Once again, guys, all we're doing is inviting people to these capture pages and letting the system do everything for us. So again, this video was all about the updates. All right, you have another funnel here. More updates that haven't actually been added to the funnel. TJ Holloway, the owner, the creator of $25.1up, posted in the Facebook group that most of it is in the back office. So if you want more information to this great opportunity where you can earn $125, $250, $500, and $1,000 per sale, make sure you click the link below and get started. Other than that, I'm out.